there, super counters! Today, we're going to start with the number 8 and see what happens when we add different numbers to it. Addition helps numbers grow bigger, and 8 is ready to grow. Let's add from 0 all the way to 20. Are you ready? Let's go! 8 plus 0 equals 8. We're still at 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Just one more. 8 plus 2 equals 10. We made it to 10. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Great counting. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Keep going. 8 plus 5 equals 13. Nice job. 8 plus 6 equals 14. You're doing amazing. 8 plus 7 equals 15. Almost halfway. 8 plus 8 equals 16. That's a double. 8 plus 9 equals 17. Keep it up. 8 plus 10 equals 18. Double digits. 8 plus 11 equals 19. Nice work. 8 plus 12 equals 20. Great counting. 8 plus 13 equals 21. Keep going. 8 plus 14 equals 22. You're awesome. 8 plus 15 equals 23. Almost there. 8 plus 16 equals 24. Just a few more. 8 plus 17 equals 25. Great job. 8 plus 18 equals 26. Almost done. 8 plus 19 equals 27. One last one. 8 plus 20 equals 28. We did it!
Awesome. Now it's your turn. I'll say the problems, and you give me the answers. Ready?
8 plus 0 equals 8 plus 1 equals 8 plus 2 equals 8 plus 3 equals 8 plus 4 equals 8 plus 5 equals 8 plus 6 equals 8 plus 7 equals 8 plus 8 equals 8 plus 9 equals 8 plus 10 equals 8 plus 11 equals 8 plus 12 equals 8 plus 13 equals 8 plus 14 equals 8 plus 15 equals 8 plus 16 equals 8 plus 17 equals 8 plus 18 equals 8 plus 19 equals 8 plus 20 equals. You did such a fantastic job adding with 8. Remember, starting with a big number like 8 makes adding super fun. Keep practicing, and you'll be adding like a pro in no time. See you next time.
Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.